Hello, my brothers and sisters. I'm here with you today. And today I'm just making a clarification video of what my intentions are for this channel. First and foremost, I would like to get this put out there so that no one can twist my words. And I would like to make it official right now. My intentions are purely to inspire others to not only change their own lives, but to help spread real love, peace, and unity throughout this world. And even if they can't spread it throughout the entire earth, even just as simple as your workplace, or your family, or loving your enemies, as I have stated that I would like to challenge you guys to do so. Listen, I'm just making this my complete intention. My intention for this channel truly is I want to spread more love, peace, and unity. Okay? And I want to inspire others to discover the power within themselves. That they themselves have the power and the capability to do such wonderful feats. And that they could find that peace, the key to peace, lies with them. Joy can lie with you, and I will get to that later. So this is the foundation of which I'm building my channel. I want to get this completely out there, so thank you to all you who are watching. The purpose is love, to spread love, peace, and unity, to make other people's lives better, and to inspire you, my brothers and sisters out there, to change yourselves and then change the world. Okay? Let's go out there and spread some love. Both show love to ourselves as well as others, okay? Thank you. And I will see you next time. Love, peace, and unity to you all.